How to use best car insurance comparison sites properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car insurance comparison sites are convenient, but most beginners make mistakes that cost money and coverage. The surprising truth is that the cheapest quote isn't always the best choice. The first mistake is entering incomplete or inaccurate information. Age, driving history, and vehicle details must be precise. Even small errors can lead to invalid quotes or denied claims. Another common error is comparing only premiums. Average limits, deductibles, and exclusions matter more than the monthly price. A low premium can leave you exposed in serious accidents. Many users also overlook discounts. Sites often miss bundle policies, safe driving rewards, or low mileage incentives. Fully exploring available options can save hundreds. A surprising mistake is ignoring customer service and claim support. The best policies are worthless if insurers are slow to respond when you need them most. Check reviews and support options before deciding. Finally, beginners often fail to recheck quotes periodically. Rates change with driving history, location, and market conditions. Annual comparisons ensure you always have the best deal. To properly use car insurance comparison sites, input accurate details, evaluate coverage, explore discounts, research support, and compare regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures better protection and smarter savings.